Are you looking for the best HDMI cables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best HDMI cables that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, SIENOC 5M15FT Mesh Black HDMI Cable. Don't you wish your cable were a little more durable? As far as sturdiness is concerned, you can never go wrong with SIENOC. With its cable shielding thickness, it can withstand common wear and tear damage much better than most. Aside from being durable, this cable is also reliable by pretty much all standards. Supporting up to 10.2 gigabits per second, SIENOC easily meets your data transfer needs. As a better version of the older HDMI cables, it is ideal for gaming consoles as well. At number 4, Cables Direct Online 20FT HighSpeed HDMI Cable. This cable belongs to the group of high-performance long cables that can support not only your television but also devices such as laptops, computers, and even gaming consoles. If you are looking for that long-length cable that can support your data transfer needs, PC Microstore is the one for you. Aside from 3D graphics and 4K resolutions, it also supports Ethernet connection. This cable comes with a lifetime warranty, so you won't have to worry about not getting your money's worth. At number 3, Sanus Super Slim 8 feet HDMI 2.0 Cable. If you are looking for something that can fit into small holes, while giving that edgy look to your connection compartment, then this particular cable from Sanus is for you. Its slim size also makes it more flexible than their thicker counterparts. Of course, being slim does not make it less durable. The cable is covered with PVC cable molding and polyester braiding to protect the wires from cuts. With its 24K gold-plated connector, it has a high conductivity for fast transfers, high-definition display, and clear audio. At number 2, Boltlink HighSpeed 4K HDMI Cable. It is reasonable enough for someone to think that a longer cable tends to deliver poor video quality, which is actually true for most cables. Fortunately, it does not apply to this cable as it involves a state-of-the-art shielding technology that allows it to achieve impressive data transfer speeds. Even with its long length, Boltlink can deliver high-quality moving and still pictures as well as an audio signal of the highest quality. At number 1, Belkin 6-foot high-speed HDMI to HDMI cable. Coming from a brand that is renowned for their quality products, this cable can deliver clear audio and high-definition videos like no other in this price range. It also supports multiple devices, with no limitations to speak of. In fact, you will find this cable to work well with not only PC monitors but consoles and modern TVs as well. Furthermore, this cable enjoys a fairly sturdy construction that allows you to move it around any way you wish without the fear of breaking it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.